My name is Dr. Iro Igbinosa, and my role is that I'm a clinician-researcher in maternal-fetal medicine. I take care of high-risk pregnancies as well as do research to prevent maternal morbidity in pregnancy. Walk with me as I head to the hospital.
How would you explain your research to a fifth grader?
I do work that helps pregnant moms, or moms who are having babies, with their red blood cells and how to increase it in pregnancy because that's important.
What's one thing you wish more people understood about your work?
I wish people understood that iron deficiency anemia in pregnancy is really common, but there are ways to prevent it.
Do you remember the first time you fell in love with medicine or science?
I was in middle school, just hearing about it, but then I went to high school for health professions and I got to shadow midwives. And that was my first experience with labor and delivery. So I was hooked pretty early. I come from a big family. I'm a daughter of a social worker, and I've always been driven to care for patients and families, coupled with my interest in science. It was a natural progression.
What do you think is the ultimate goal of your work?
I think the ultimate goal is to make birth safe for everyone. Anemia is just increasing regardless of race and ethnicity in pregnancy. And we know that it contributes to adverse events in pregnancy or maternal morbidity, and it's a cause of disparities. Most importantly, we can do something about it, and so why wait?
We heard you had a motto.
It's listen first and then serve with compassion.
Are you ready for a lightning round?
I am.
Early bird or night owl?
Night owl.
Coffee or tea?
Tea.
Phone call or text?
Depending on the time of day.
Sweet or savory?
Sweet.
Do you have a walk-up song or a theme song for your life?
I would say I have artists and Lauryn Hill and Beyonce.
When do your best ideas come to you?
It can vary. Sometimes it can be in the middle of a busy clinic when you see something happening over and over again and how might you solve it, or sometimes when you're reading an article, and then sometimes on vacation.
What excites you most about the work ahead?
That the possibilities are endless.
Advice you'd give your younger self?
Disappointments come, but you really do learn from those experiences and it prepares you for the future.